Welcome to Safar AI, your journey to better English. These are interactive videos, so you won't just watch, you'll participate. Throughout the video, you'll see questions on the screen. Make sure to answer them before moving on. These videos are designed to help you practice and check your English skills. Let's have this conversation. What can you do?
So, we're all in the same English class. Let's get to know each other. What can you do well, Lina?
I can cook very well. I love making traditional dishes.
That's great. I can't cook at all. I usually eat out or order food.
Same here. But I can play the guitar. I've been practicing for 2 years.
Wow, nice. I can't play any instruments, but I can sing.
Oh, we should start a band. I can play the piano and I like singing too.
That's fun. What about languages? Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Arabic and French.
I can only speak Spanish, but I'm learning English now.
I can speak Urdu and a little bit of English. That's why I joined this class.
We all have different talents.